Okay, we're back. We got everything cleaned up. Let me finish cleaning my ears real fast. Just kidding. I'm gonna show you how to put this back together. Hopefully I can do it. Start with this pin, spring, and the housing. I'm gonna take our housing, put it back on. And you know, I'm just gonna grease these screws a little bit, just the tips. Just the hair. Actually, a bit corroded in there, so I just shove some. A little bit of grease in there. Using pen grease. And you know, it's just my first time making a video and opening this reel, so be sure to like and subscribe, I guess. If not, whatever. Hopefully this video helps. You know, there's a couple videos that help me. Be sure to add those in the link. On how to get to this point. Well, we're just gonna tighten that down. No need to over tighten it. Clean all that up, turn it over. Go back to our pin. So there's a bigger pin that goes in here. See the difference? Right there. Bigger one goes on the bottom. Get a little bit of grease in there. Slides right in. Got a spring, goes in the housing. This pin drops right in. We're gonna push that up. See if we can do this. And we got our new parts. Thank you, Uncle Butch at Hobbietat. Replacing those. Here's our little pin. Might be a little tricky to get in there, but there's a little hole right there. Drop that in there. And the spring. Actually, see if we can preset it. So there's a little hole right in here. That's where the other pin goes. So you want to line these notches up and slide the pin in there. Got it in. Gonna touch it with some grease. And then push it in. It's a little hard to go in there. Ah. I'm gonna call in some help. Hon, can you tap this in?
Yeah.
Got a little punch. then just tap it in with a rubber mallet.
Okay.
Tap this part.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
More?
Maybe just a little love tap. Okay. There we go. We're golden. That's in there. I'm sure we could add a little grease in there. Probably should have greased it first. Oh well. Gonna add some grease anyway. Don't think it'll hurt it. That's what that was happening before. It was like this little spring would pop out of there. Not too sure exactly what position. Leave it at that. Clean it up. And put our cover back on. And I'll throw a little grease in there. Just for personal preference. Just hit this corrosion. Don't mind my dogs in the background. Like I said, my first time, don't know exactly what I'm doing. Figure it out. Got any tips, pointers? Feel free to put them in the comments. And just give it a little wipe down. Clean that up. Put a cover on. Slides right on. Turn that over. These are where the two screws go in. Dip that in some grease. Wrong hole. And dip that in there. And there you go. That should be it for this part. And as usual, don't over tighten it. wipe down. And we're good. If this video helps, right on. Yes, sir.